So winter is here, and it's season 8 of Game of Thrones.
The
It's
final season.
The final season that's coming up. But you know what we need? We need Indiana Jones. That's right. I'm not Cersei. Well, I am, but I'm also Indiana Jones. So I'm going to craft for you some nice cocktails, together with Cosplay Kev, with his dead dog. As
A
Jon
dire
Snow,
wolf.
his dire wolf.
Not my dire wolf.
Is your dire wolf
No.
still alive?
I think so.
It's Ghost. Ghost is
What
still
happened?
alive.
What happened to Lady?
Oh, Lady.
What did you do to her?
Oh, well, no, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. It was Ned Stark that killed Lady. But anyway, so we're gonna have some nice cocktails. And by the way, thank you for joining us live. We even have a live audience. we're live, recording live from Bonjour America TV, right here in the heart of Little Havana. That's right, Little Havana, like as in Cuba. But there's Bonjour America TV, a French station. Who would have known? But so we're here at the studios and right here in the heart of Miami. Thank you for joining us, and we're going to start making some cocktails. So the first one I'm going to make is the Red Witch. Here we go. So Jon Snow, let's put some ice in there, Mr. Jon Snow.
Familiar with the ice myself.
You're not bad looking for a bastard.
You're not bad looking for a widow. You got no kids anymore. You murdered everyone.
All right, enough with the ice. My
Oh.
goodness. Okay, enough with the ice. Okay, so first we're gonna put in some cranberries, so just around like 2 fingers worth. So it's cranberry juice. Right there. Oh, a little, yeah, that's good. And then some black cherry. Yeah, black cherry. Go for it. Oh, leave space for the most important part. And some vodka. Just some vodka. And there you have your Red Witch. What's her name? Melisandre?
Melisandre.
Melisandre. Has she gotten her hooks into you yet, Mr. Jon Snow?
Why do you think I'm alive right now?
Oh, that's right. How could I forget? That's right. She just tricked us all. You're gonna have
It's like the blood of the innocent.
There
for
you go. Are you gonna?
It's your victim's blood.
There you go.
All
are
the blood on your
Are you gonna
hands.
have Melisandre? Is that gonna be your drink, the Red Witch?
Mm.
Is it good?
It's good.
Okay, awesome. Now the next one we're going to do. So let's move this aside. And thank you for your patience, guys. This is live. Live. We're gonna need some ice. This is the Wight Walker. Your dog fur is all over the place.
I'm shedding everywhere.
That's what's fun. Now, if you guys don't remember, I've worked with Cosplay Kev in the past. If you want, you can check it out. It's our St. Patrick's Day episode where he played Captain Jack Sparrow. And I tried to make Lucky Charms crispy treats.
And alcohol was involved as well.
I tried, yeah, there was alcohol involved as well, but I tried. I'm just gonna say I tried and leave it at that. More ice, more ice.
Okay.
So it's the Wight Walkers. So what we're gonna do with the Wight Walkers, we're gonna have some white chocolate liqueur. You guys can laugh. It's a studio audience. You can laugh. You can guffaw. Yeah, there, look. It's not like, it's not like, look at this. So this is like the snow of the Wight Walker. Look at that, looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna use some ginger soda or vanilla cream soda, either one. Just gonna pour that right on top. Pour that right on top. And then, for their beautiful blue eyes, we got some blue Curacao. Ooh, so yeah, let's the magic touch. There you go. Oh, I got some on the outside. But look at that. That's
a Wight Walker.
That's a cool drink. Do you want to try this one or shall I?
That's a you goblet right there.
That's a me goblet. That's right.
That's a Cersei goblet.
Yes. Can the audience have? Lena, come here. Come here. Have some. Here. You got to try it out. Yes. Okay. You can get in here. Get in here, Lena. See, we have peoples.
Right in the middle.
Yeah. Go ahead and try it.
We're not mature.
Yes, we're not.
Is this a trick?
No, it's not. Try
Okay.
it. Go for it.
Why are you having me
So you turn into a
Because
Wight Walker.
you're adorable. You're adorable. Yes. Oh, and by the way, you see we have a green
That's pretty
screen?
good.
Yeah, it is. It's good.
That's
There you go.
delicious.
That's your
Thank
drink.
you.
You guys are like, why is she in front of a green screen? Well, because, and you're live. Why are we in front of a green screen? Because we're actually going to mask the green screen, and actually in the recorded one, I shouldn't be saying this, but it's going to be edited. right? Mr. Editor? What? You're gonna edit this part. Okay.
Can I edit my throne back there?
Yeah, no, we're gonna have
My
my
th-
throne.
my throne.
My throne.
My throne.
My throne. The only throne you have, honey, is in a bathroom. So. Oh! Burn! Speaking. There you go. Now, speaking of burn, the last drink. This is gonna be fun. And it's gonna be flammable. So let's pray I don't set my wig on fire or his dead dog.
It's the Daenerys Targaryen of drinks.
No, this is going to be Wildfire. So just a couple of, just
one or two?
Just
One.
Just one. There you go. We're gonna put in some vodka. Vodka. No, rum. No, I'm sorry, it's rum. Very cheap rum. I'm sorry. It's rum. And then, yeah. Then we're gonna add, what is this? It's melon. I'm sorry, I don't remember what these are. Sour apple mix. Ooh. Ooh. Ah.
Who's going to drink this one?
I don't know, but it's gonna be on fire. It's gonna be on fire, people. Let's hope. Let's hope
I
you
think
can
it's
see the flames.
You're used to burning
And
people.
then this is, wait a second, this is like Midori sweet melon. So see, it's green like the wildfire. Then we're taking 151 proof rum and just floating it on top, just a little bit. And this is live, people, so let's hope it works. Get the dog away, get the dog away.
We have insurance.
Woo. Is it on? Nope, wait, I need some more liquor.
It's live.
Needs more liquor, of course. It worked at home. It did. Don't scare me. I wonder if it's the ice. Is it working?
This should be easy for you blowing things up.
Let's try again. Hold on. Well, yeah, I know. I'm the one that did. Okay, let's try it again. Let's try it again, but this time we're going to put the sweet ones. No, you know ice.
That's the magic of live TV.
The magic of live TV. We didn't see that, people. We didn't see that.
Not in the edited version.
Not in the edited version. We're going to put the rum on top. And we're just going to use the 150 rum. What the heck? There we go.
Okay. There.
It's a fire. I don't know what will. Is it on? Is it lit? It's lit.
Oh. It's there.
It's there. You can't see it in the light. It's there. You don't see it.
If you.
Can you see it? You can see it.
I can see it. I can see it. It's.
A little bit more.
Put a little bit more.
You can see it.
Look, you can see it. See the flames? You see the flames?
Ooh.
Ah. Okay, who's gonna be brave enough to have the wildfire?
Oh my God.
Come on, no? See? I know how to do that stuff. Wait a minute. Safety first!
Almost took over that throne right there.
Safety first. Wait a second. Oh my goodness. There we go. And I don't drink, so this is gonna be fun.
Wait, uh-oh. Here we go.
Ready? Oh God.
Sure.
Woo! I am a fire-breathing dragon right now. Woo! So anyway, I put a little too much of this just so you can see. Look, I'm turning red. I can feel it. Anyway, so here are our drinks. We have the let's have the Wight Walker up here so you can see them. The red witch. Lena with the. It's so good. There you go. Dun da da. And there you have it. Your 3 drinks for your next Game of Thrones watch party, because you are the, on the watch, aren't you? Well, not anymore, right? Well, you're still on the watch.
I left the watch.
Yes, you left the watch. That's right. You went off with the wildlings.
I died. So technically, my watch.
There's some people
Spoiler
that
alert!
are-
Spoiler
Oh my
alert!
God.
Spoiler alert!
Okay.
No! Ah.
Anyway, guys, have a wonderful Game of Thrones episode, season, opening night, premiere, and enjoy yourselves and enjoy these cocktails. Stay safe out there. And check back to my Indiana Jones channel where I'll have some Easter and spring crafts and some more crafts for Game of Thrones.